Hello guys, welcome back to Saggy Skills. So now in this video we are going to start a new series for login screen design and sign up screen designing as well as welcome screen. And this is the welcome screen. As you can see on the mobile screen right now, we have given one heading, title, subscribe our channel Saggy Skills, and then subtitle. Then we have provided here two buttons, one for login, one for register. And here you can see this is the text Saggy Skills. It's a vertical direction, and as you can see on the top we have given this gradient picture, and here also gradient. As you can see, this is the fading. All this we will design in this series. And so if I click on this login, so we will go to login in screen, and you can see it's coming by fade animation transition from the right side. And here you can see the same screen, we have this bottom gradient, and here you can see we have given this border. Here we have text field where user can fill email and password and press on login, and here we have given this Saggy Skills, as you can see. And this is the button with fade. Here you can see this is the dark and here is gradient. And we have provided these two icons if user wants to log in by Gmail or Facebook, so user can do that. And we have provided this if user not registered, so user can click here and go to registered screen, sign up screen. So let's click on it. Don't have an account, so click on it, and as you can see we are on sign up screen. Subscribe to Saggy Skills, and here the fields where user will fill the information and click on sign up. And as you can see we have this vertical in the left side. Already have an account, if the user already registered, so user can click on this icon and on this text button. So click on this already have an account, let's click, and as you can see we are on again login screen. So all these things we are going to design in this series. So let's start how we can do this. So first of all, come to the here and create new Flutter project, and click on next, and now give here the name. Let's give screen underscore UI. This is the project name. You can give your own name, whatever you want to give. It's totally up to you guys. So click on finish, and it's creating the project, and as you can see it has been created successfully. You will see this screen here, and you will see this text. Close it, and now you will see all these things like this. So close this readme from here, and now click on it here. This is the folder screen underscore UI which we have created right now, and you will see all these things here. So first of all, let's come to the main here, lib. Inside lib we have this main, make it like this. And first of all, remove all these two classes which we don't want, this one below. So come above, and from here this minimize, and this also minimize, and select both class and press delete. Now remove these comments also, and the first this one comment also just remove. So we need some screens, so let's create the screens, the pages. So right click on the lib, new, and dot file, and it will be welcome underscore screen, and press enter and import material dot. And now again we need one more file, so right click on lib, new, and then dot file, and it will be login underscore screen, and press enter. Here also import material dot Now we need another file for sign up, so right click on lib, new .file, and it will be sign up underscore screen. Press enter, import here material.art like this. Now here, come to the welcome screen. Now come to the main actually here and just remove this, and here we will pass our welcome screen. So say here, first of all let's create this welcome screen. So here stateless visit and say here welcome screen like this. So now come to the main and write here welcome screen and put comma. Yes, that's all. So first of all, when the application will open, so this page will be displayed, welcome screen, which we will design. So thank you guys for watching this video, and we will start next things in the next video. We will work on this welcome screen and we will add dependency, and we will use getx in this latest getx application. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.